So I departed from Lima to Paracas with Peru Hop, and I decided to go to the Ballestas Islands, and it was really cool. There were birds flying everywhere. We were in a speedboat. I got a funny little clip in this video of a sea lion dragging another sea lion down into the ocean. And yeah, so I didn't really meet my little travel group when I was in Paracas. I met them when we were, well, I guess I sort of met them, but like I didn't really talk to them much. I met my little traveling group with Peru Hop in, I would say when we were in Nazca is when I started to really get to know them. And that's one thing that I really like about Peru Hop is that I was able to get to know people from just like all over. And I've also kind of just put myself out there since I've been here, and I've also gotten to know like people, like locals and everything, because I do know at least enough Spanish to hold a conversation. I don't know how my accent is, but at least I'm understood. So yeah, plus also I would say a lot of locals in Peru also speak English, so sometimes we can like speak half Spanish, half English, and we'll understand each other just fine. Yeah, so here's a video of Paracas. I hope you enjoy.